Hey, hello boys and girls. So this video is, yes, indeed biggest announcement for CMA Inter as well as CMA final students. Please watch the video till very last and please press the like button. It, enhances me, it motivates me and allows me to give my best to you guys. So CMA Inter and CMA final students, इस announcement में classes के बारे में, marathons के बारे में and revision series के बारे में आपको full exhaustive ज्ञान मिलने वाला है. So please watch the video till very last. First of all, let me tell you, huge discount offer is going on till 20th October on the classes. So if you buy the classes now, if you're looking to buy the classes now, this is the best time. Just go for it. So those students who are having their exams in 2022, whether intermediate or final level, they should buy the classes right now. Huge discount offer is only till 20th October. Entire coverage, ICMI modules are covered, unlimited views, best teaching style of all the faculties. And it's not that, we are providing all 8 papers forcefully. No, I've been teaching since last 10-12 years. And now I can say this is the best team that I have ever seen in India for CMA Inter and CMA final levels. So please go for the, CMA Intermediate and CMA final on our platform. Not only my subjects, but my entire team is very, strong and confident about the quality that we are imparting. Hard copy and soft copy, both options are available. Full support is there till the clearing of exams, right? So these are the features. Go for it. Only till 20th October, these features are available. Okay. And yes, discount offer is almost there throughout the 12 months, but extra discount is there till 20th October. Okay, sir. Now coming to marathon and revision series for December 21 term students and all the, previous term students who have been waiting and dying to give the exams. So let us hit it, boys and girls. Huge announcement about marathon. I am going to come with 2 marathons. 24th October, Company Law Marathon, section 1 to 122 for CMA Inter student. 24th October, that is this Sunday 11 AM. 24th October, boys and girls. 24th October, the coming Sunday 11 AM. Means just after this Sunday. 24th October, Sunday 11 AM for CMA Inter students. And this video shall not be uploaded on YouTube. So you have to watch it live, right? And we are going to create history, trust me. Notes and all, everything will be given. 31st October, CMA final students, Company Law Marathon, section 149 to 470. Why, sir, only Company Law Marathon? Because this is the most, voluminous subject to cover. That is why 24th October, Company Law Marathon, and 31st October, Company Law Marathon for final. Okay, sir. So Inter and final, respective marathons on 24th and 31st October. Please don't miss it, guys. Please don't miss it. And apart from that, Mission CMA Inter series. Let me tell you, Company Law, all the past term previous year question papers we are going to solve daily from 25th October to 10th November, daily 9 PM. 25th October to 10th November. I am asking only for 1 hour of yours from 25th October to 10th November. And just see the strategy. 24th October, we complete the marathon. And 25th October, from next day till 10th November, we do the past term questions of, law paper of yours. 25th October to 10th November. All the company law past term papers will be solved over here. Okay. And mission audit case study based MCQs. Because now you know that your audit paper, maximum questions will be MCQ, and that too case study based MCQs are there, which CMA Inter students might find difficult. So if this session you miss, guys, then you are gone. You are gone. So make sure that you are attending this mission audit case study based MCQs. Sir, where we will be practicing the case study based MCQs from? CMA Institute has not given the case study based MCQs, but CA Institute has given. So we will be practicing CA Institute's case study based MCQs. And trust me, we'll be practicing only those case study based MCQs for you guys which are there in your syllabus. Okay. And if a particular case study is not there in your syllabus, I'll tell you. So 11th November to 15th November, 10 PM daily. Listen, 25th October to 10 November, 9 PM, past term papers. Okay. And 11th November to 15th November, 10 PM daily. Don't worry, I'll remind you. I'll keep on reminding you. And Mission OMSM. So all the theories we are going to cover. Mission OMSM, 1st November. It will start from 1st November, continue till 20th November, 9 PM daily. Okay, this will be everything that we have discussed so far will be on Mohit Agarwal channel. But this OM and SM, 1st November to 20th November, 9 PM daily. OM will be taken by Gaurav Kabra sir and SM will be taken by Mohit Agarwal. 1st November to 20th November, 9 PM daily on MEPL classes YouTube channel. On the YouTube channel of MEPL classes. If you haven't subscribed it, go and subscribe it. And let me tell you, all the MTPs, listen, the announcement is not yet over. All the MTPs, whether of CMA Inter or of CMA final, CMA Inter, CMA final, already one MTP, entire MTP of all the subjects have already been uploaded on MEPL classes YouTube channel. And another set of new MTPs that the institute has released, we are going to practice it daily 2 PM from 1st November to 20th November. First we'll be covering the MTPs of CMA Inter and then we'll be covering the MTPs of CMA final. All will be done between 1st November to 20th November, 2 PM daily on MEPL classes YouTube channel. Okay. And sir, what about, sir, other subjects missions? Let me tell you, other subjects missions are also going to come. Yes, other subjects marathons are also going to come. For example, Cost FM faculty is going to take Cost FM marathon. Okay, I am also going to take accounts marathon for you guys. And apart from that, cost management audit marathon will also be taken for the CMA final. And SPMBB marathon will also be there, which means other subject marathons will also be there, which will be informed to you in due course of time. Now, please comment. How are your feelings? How are your feelings? Because entire November we have kept for your revision, and it will start from 24th of October. So from 24th October till entire November, you have to stay connected. You do your own self study, but we are asking only for 1 hour per day. 1 hour per day, apart from these long marathons, obviously on 24th and 31st October. We are asking only for 1 hour per day. And trust me, it will not only enhance your preparation, it will keep you motivated and keep you focused on your goal. Okay, so share this video with the entire CMA fraternity, and guys, we are going to rock this December term. This is for sure. Thank you, lots of love, take care, bye bye.